Welcome to A to Z Tech. In this video, I'll guide you on 2 ways to add music to your Facebook story. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, let's do this. Open your Facebook app and head straight over to Create Story at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Tap the music icon at the top left corner to choose your preferred song for your Facebook story. Select a song from the list or use the search bar. After that, you can choose the picture or video you want to upload to your Facebook story. When you are done, tap on Share to post it on your Facebook story. Now let's go through the second method of adding music to Facebook story. Go to the Facebook story section and tap on the image or video you want to upload. Tap on the music icon at the right-hand side. Go ahead and select the music you want to add to your Facebook story. Now this is how to add music to Facebook story. Like and subscribe if you found it helpful.